Well, police say this is a problem looking for a place to happen. And today, law enforcement agencies across the country are issuing warnings about an iPhone case molded to look like a gun. Our Dave Delosier is here with more on why police are so concerned. Dave.
Yeah, Mark, you know, at first glance, when you first take a look at this, you might think that this iPhone case is creative. But for police officers, the concern is that when an officer responds to a call and sees it, they're going to have a split second to decide, is it a gun or is it a phone?
Everyone has a phone, especially on a college campus.
And it seems everywhere you look, you see them. Always with us, there are ways to make them identify with us.
A cell phone cover shows off who you are, and people like to brand themselves with that.
Online, you can find cases that will let everyone know who you are, from your favorite sport to the team you pull for. They are designed to get your attention, and there is now one getting the attention of police.
When you see something like this, you just shake your head, and you wonder why.
The toy gun iPhone cases are easily found online if you can find them in stock. Police are concerned their officers will find them when they're responding to a call.
This is just about common sense and public safety. If anybody sees what looks like is a weapon coming out from somebody's pocket or you know, next to their ear, they're going to call us. And our officers have seconds to react, and they have seconds to figure out, does this person have a real gun?
The reality of that was seen in Cleveland when neighbors saw 12-year-old Tamir Rice holding what turned out to be just a toy gun.
You know, it's probably fake, but he's like pointing it at everybody.
Seconds later, because the police officers didn't know the gun was fake, the child was killed. Many police agencies fear these toy gun iPhone cases will be mistaken for the real thing.
For us, it's dangerous. I mean, you talk about a public safety issue when you've got somebody with a cell phone in their pocket with a gun handle hanging out. You don't know if that's a real gun or not.
Now today, the UW-Madison Police Department used their social media account to put out a warning about these. And Mark, a retired NYPD officer today put it very bluntly when he said that if you pull one of these out of your pocket, it's a high probability. In front of a police officer, it's a high probability you're going to get shot.
Yeah, they don't sell common sense online, do they?
Apparently not. That's an extra feature.
That is an extra feature. All right, Dave. Thank you.